Have you ever wondered why some scientific proposals get funded while others don't? Well, the challenge of grant writing is often a complex puzzle to solve. It involves understanding the funding agency's priorities, which can be as elusive as a chameleon in a color wheel. Crafting a clear and compelling proposal is another hurdle, akin to threading a needle in a sandstorm. And let's not forget the fiercely competitive nature of grant applications. But fear not. By breaking down the process into manageable steps, grant writing can become less daunting. So, how can we transform this seemingly Herculean task into a more manageable process? The answer lies in breaking down the process into manageable steps. Firstly, understanding the grant requirements is absolutely vital. Each grant has its unique stipulations that dictate the scope and direction of your research. So, take the time to thoroughly read and comprehend what is being asked of you. Next up is conducting a thorough literature review. This step is all about understanding what has been done before in your field and identifying the gaps that your research can fill. It's like piecing together a puzzle, but first you have to know what the completed picture looks like. The third step is formulating a clear and compelling research question. This is the crux of your proposal, and it should be both interesting and feasible. Remember, a well-framed question is half the answer. Then comes developing a research methodology. This is where you outline how you plan to answer your research question. It's your blueprint for success, and it needs to be both robust and flexible. Finally, the last step is writing and revising the proposal. This is where all your hard work comes together. Your proposal should be clear, concise, and compelling. It should tell a story that convinces the grant committee that your research is worth funding. Remember, each step is crucial, and skipping one could cost you the grant. To recap, here are the key points you need to remember when writing your grant proposal. First, get a solid grasp of the grant requirements. Every detail matters, and missing even a single point could result in your application being overlooked. Next, conduct a thorough literature review. This will not only help you understand the current state of research in your field, but also identify gaps that your proposed study could fill. Then, formulate a clear and concise research question. This is the foundation upon which your entire proposal is built. Subsequently, develop a comprehensive research methodology. This should provide a clear roadmap of how you plan to answer your research question. Finally, write and revise your proposal diligently. Ensure it's well-structured, clear, and compelling. Remember, your proposal doesn't just need to be scientifically sound. It needs to persuade the grant committee that your research is worth funding. Master these steps, and you're on your way to writing a successful grant proposal. Remember, perseverance and clarity are your best allies in this endeavor.